Well, good morning, everybody. Beautiful sunny morning. We are going to replace the filters. It's been about 6 months that we've had this Clearsource in. So we've got her up there, and I jumped the gun a little bit, so I did crack the filters, and you can see that I have the bucket under there to let the excess water, as you can see, drip down. Basically, if you've seen our other video, which I will post right up over here, of how we installed it, why we put it up here, and it's worked very well for us. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pull this stuff off, and I'll hand this out over to Beth, and we'll drop these down, and I'll compare to what the new filters look like to what these filters look like at like 6.5 months. Alrighty. So don't mind the flies. For some reason there's a ton of flies around here. Again, that's why we put it here, so that we had access to it, and we knew that it was going to have water issues. So again,
as you can see, all the water falling.
All right, and our final one. Then we'll take them over to the table and we'll kind of reveal them as we go, so you can see as well. Oh. All right, we will go over to the table. Now I do have these marked 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3 as they come in and go out. They're all universal on the canisters, but that way I know what goes back in the way. So, all right, we will head on out and go to the table. All right, so this is your replacement. It's nice because they kind of, in case you get them mixed up, they'll tell you what they are supposed to be like. So this is going to be our pre-filter and our rust and sediment, which I'm actually kind of, I know it's gross and disgusting because it's gray, but as you see the difference, it's doing its job. So we're going to put just that back in there. I know it's still wrapped. This one is number 2, and that is this guy. So you can see that the filter is actually pretty gray. And then our final filter. Still has water in there, and you can see the difference here. So not bad. Now a little bit of a disclaimer, we do run another pre-filter. We use the filter that came with the coach, and I think it's a 10 micron filter, so it looks similar to this guy. And that one we probably change out, what would you say, probably about once every 6 weeks or so?
About, yeah. You
can pick those up at Walmart. And so we're actually running 4 filters, but I'm pretty impressed with, after 6 months, that this guy is normally, I've seen other people and they've pulled it out and it's rust, it's brown and orange color. So we definitely could have had them go longer. And these things aren't cheap. They're about 70 bucks for all 3 of them. So again, we are totally happy with Clearsource. We love the product, and it has made a huge difference on the scale and everything that forms in your tubs, and, well, not your tubs, but your faucets and your showers and stuff. So I say Clearsource for the win. Alrighty guys, thanks again. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next week.